Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So guys, in this video we have understand how to download Cold Turkey Blocker for remote blocking website, which you have to be access on your Chrome browser, Firefox browsers, etc. You can everywhere you can use it. So after you download from website, click on Run as Administrator. After you run an administrator, the starting prompt will open. Click the accept agreement, click next and install on this system. So it has been taking some time to install program on your system Windows 10. So you can finish and run the application. So here you can see the Cold Turkey Blocker is a application tool which is providing by the Windows operating system to can block and applications, websites, URLs, etc. You can block everywhere in your operating system Windows 10. So we have starting. Now we can open the Cold Turkey Blocker and set up how to do settings. Now you can see here at the bottom side Cold Turkey Blocker application is open. Now this is the extension which you have to be installed on Chrome browser, Firefox browser, Edge browser. It's your choice to be have to install an extensions. Without installing extensions you can't use it. So make sure that you have to install extensions. So after you install extensions, add extensions on the Chrome browser, Firefox browser or etc. any browser you can connect. This is only work on extension. So now we have to open the Cold Turkey Blocker. Now finally you can check the Cold Turkey Blocker how to block an applications. Open again and install extensions. Click on the block site. So here is the prompt. You can add the website which you want to be blocked, www.youtube.com. You have to add it here and save as a block. You can type the name www.name as a block. So here you can see the distractions and the YouTube's block at all times, block at everywhere. So this is the premium version, you can upgrade it. This is the paid version in Cold Turkey Blocker will providing us. So now we have using a free extension, free browser, we have to use it. So you can check here the Cold Turkey Blocker and we have to type in URL www.youtube.com. youtube.com is showing website is showing that the website is blocked by the Cold Turkey Blocker. This is the extension work, 100% work. It's you can use it to free easily moving websites. Now we have to disable these functions. We have activate this key and buy the trial versions of 7 days. We are providing the 7 days trial version, so we have to activating here. In this way you can access your website, multiple websites and multiple application you have to block. Now you can see here the Cold Turkey block is website blocks.